In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how to concept your next event so that you can grab a camera and hit record. And then I'm going to go shoot an event both on an iPhone and a mirrorless or DSLR camera. And then we're going to compare the footage side by side so that you can really get a feel for what production quality you are looking to capture at your next event. Let's go. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I'm all about helping business owners and entrepreneurs leverage the power of video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of their time. So if that is something that you are looking to do, then consider subscribing and clicking the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. So the video that we are shooting is going to be surrounding an event where a speaker is talking about their brand's story and how they got to where they are today. And that brand is Brain Juice. This is a really cool product, and you guys should definitely check it out. So I'm going to link to their website in the description below. When concepting any sort of event, you want to first focus on what is actually happening at the event. So I called up the founder, Sam, and he told me a little bit of background about what to expect, but otherwise I know nothing. So I'm going to know just as much as you guys as I go into this shoot. So what's happening is from 1:30 to 2, they're going to have prep work. From 2 to 4, there's a presentation. They're gonna break this up into 3 sections, just a talk and then also a Q&A, so it's a little bit more of an interactive experience. And then I also know that they're going to be giving out free product. So this is all the information that I have. I also haven't been to the location and I don't know what the lighting situation looks like there. So I'm really showing up with knowing very little about the situation. So how do we concept something like that? You're really gonna wanna focus on story first and foremost. So my approach to this video is to come up with 5 story sequences that I can shoot when I'm there. These are the 5 that I came up with. There's a pre-event, which is going to be them setting up and maybe some anticipation, maybe an exterior shot of walking in, or a time lapse of them setting something up, or maybe, Sam putting on his microphone, ready to walk up to the front of the room. Then there's going to be people arriving. So this story is them actually parking their cars and making their way to their seat, and maybe some other things that happen in between those two. Shaking hands, meeting people, engaging, having fun, laughing, that kind of pre-event feel as well, but more focused on the audience side instead of Sam and them prepping for the event. I can also capture the free product handouts and how people are really engaging with this product. Maybe that's a close-up of the actual product on the table, them handing over the product, the person drinking the product. Each one of these, I'm going to be trying to break this down into 3 to 5 shots. Then there's going to be the presentation itself. So this is Sam standing in front of a room talking and the audience members watching him listening. Then there's also when they start to engage with him, which is the audience questions. So that's going to be more of a Q&A. That's the audience that's actually standing up, talking, asking a question, Sam listening to them and engaging back and forth that way. So you can see how this kind of starts to come together. Now, once again, I don't know exactly what I'll shoot when I get there, but going into it with a plan like this of what is actually happening and things that I might be able to capture are going to help me when I'm in the moment. It's a little bit stressful because people are showing up and I don't know what to shoot. I've already premeditated what I want to shoot. So that's my recommendation for you. So now that you know how to concept the event, let's see how the 2 videos turned out. So what'd you think? Go ahead and drop a comment below with your thoughts on whether you would stick with the iPhone or consider upgrading to a better camera. All in all, I was very impressed with the side-by-side comparison, and the fact that it even worked was really cool. I wasn't sure how that was gonna turn out. When I was editing the footage, there was of course some significant differences between the quality, and that was a little bit difficult to see in the side-by-side comparison. If you'd like me to do a more in-depth video on what the true difference is between the two, then also go ahead and drop a comment below and I'd be happy to do that. If you're looking to stick with your iPhone, then be sure to check out some of my other videos on iPhone videography. And if you're ready to upgrade and jump up to a DSLR or mirrorless camera, then be sure to subscribe because we're gonna have a lot more content on that coming out in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.